Meet Kiwi Maureen. And if you've seen the video, this is Castle Combe's 2023, and this was in Crickland earlier on, and now we're visiting Maureen at her home. Hello there, my name is Anita. I'm a Dutch-Kiwi, and I love to cook, I love to travel, and I like doing both. And after a lovely chat and a cuppa, Maureen took us out for a wee stroll. We're in Tetbury.
Tetbury.
Eh?
Tetbury.
Tetbury. Tetbury.
Tetbury.
Very good.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Give her another drink.
Right, we're going to have a look around. Len, where are you? Where are you?
He's walked off, he's left you.
Len.
He's gone. We'll find him later.
Hello,
there he
Len.
is.
Are you in Tetbury too? Tetbury?
Yes.
Tetbury.
Tetbury.
Yes, Tetbury.
Oh, it looks lovely. Oh, that'd be wisteria or something on there?
Yeah, they would have.
Oh, the Talbot.
Yeah, they would
Okay.
have pulled it off.
Oops. The application we received for the following: replacement of existing UPVC door and windows. Okay. Well, this was
Yeah.
the best in the West, and I suppose it'll be even better when they do the renovations. Good to see there's good things happening in Tetbury. You heard the lady, it's Tetbury. Right, some lovely architecture here. Chantry Court, strictly private. Ale House, Dale House, Bath Lodge, Cavendish House and East Lodge. Well, that's a lot under one roof. Looking good. There's a bell. That doesn't work. And please use only this bell. 2 notes. Can't go wrong.
I don't know.
And here's number 1. Okay. We'll have to translate that. It's very steep downhill from there, so I think we'll stay up here.
Over there.
Found another important building. This crown. This plaque was unveiled by His Royal Highness the Prince of Wales to mark the start line of the annual Tetbury Woolsack races on the 28th of May 1998. For those interested, there's a link below. Just for those of you that are a bit familiar with the lay of the land, this is where we are. Oh, very nice. The Tetbury Market House, also known as Market Hall, was built in 1655. It still hosts traditional markets on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And more pretty flowers. And is available for rent for private events and exhibitions. That's pretty. Very well done. The spire of St Mary's, which can be seen at quite a distance, is 186 feet high. The spire is one of the highest church spires in the UK. Do that again.
Welcome to the church.
And are you enjoying the video so far? Good. I hope you stay all the way to the end and see what we have in store. So thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, well, maybe now is your chance. 1879, 1839. once for sale. What a good idea. There are 2 holly trees there and they are really full of red beads and they just look gorgeous. A bit early for Christmas. This, so as you know, entrance by the west door. Look at this beauty. Very well kept grounds actually. Very impressed. Let me share some little anecdotes about this beautiful church. Thank you. St Mary's is thought to be built on the site of a 7th century monastery founded by Abbess Teta. She was so strict about maintaining an all-female enclave that she famously refused entry to the bishop himself. I bet that went down well. When the church was demolished and rebuilt in the late 1700s, it preserved only the original medieval tower and spire. The new replacement was designed by Francis Hoyne and is celebrated today as one of the best and earliest examples of Georgian Gothic architecture in the country. Well, if you're ever in Tetbury, this is the place to be.
I think I'm going to go to...
What a lovely, lovely garden to eat in. Really nice.
I see coffee and...
Really lovely.
Well, yeah, you have.
There we go. Table's empty.
Oh, but I'm still here.
Oh, we're leaving this lovely garden.
Thank you very much. Lovely.
And here we go. This sort of architecture that, I just love walking around here, just having a look. And to many it's just a house or a hotel or a restaurant or a cottage. But to me, it's just gorgeous. I've enjoyed Tetbury. I hope you have too. Thank you, Maureen, for that lovely day in Tetbury. And we will be back one day and I know you're wanting to visit the Netherlands too, so who knows what's coming up next. Anyway, we're back off to Crickland and organising some dinner. Back at the cottage, we got sorted. Now normally at the end of our stays anywhere, we have dinner out. And in the previous video, when I showed you around Crickland, we passed an Indian restaurant and we love Indian food. I can certainly recommend Cavalli. The food was delicious, the service was fantastic, and yeah, well, we ended up with a doggy bag for home, so that wasn't a bad thing either. Bye-bye comfortable bedroom and cute cottage. Yeah, look, bags and things. I've got one more little tidy up in the kitchen to do because we're going to have coffee. And then it's time to hit the road for our next adventure. Yep, we're off to Worthing. We've had a fantastic holiday so far. I hope you'll join us for the rest as we carry on discovering the beauty of England.